Hi, welcome to HausWitch. Come on in. So this is our shop of intentional magic and patriarchy hexing goods. Right here on this table you can see some of our exclusive products and bestsellers, including my book, House Magic, Transform Your Home with Witchcraft. Over here we have our golden amethyst geode Hestia. Hestia was the goddess of the hearth and home, and so she is our patron goddess here at the store. Over here we have our Hutch Dolly. We named her that because she is top heavy and works hard. And I actually painted this myself. It started out as a mostly white hutch with doors and black trim, and I took it all off and painted it black and then did this rainbow ombre. It took about 2 weeks and many, many tiny cans of paint. Oh, and makeup sponges, a million makeup sponges to do the blending, but I think it was worth it. And then we have our photo booth Dolores that houses our Aura camera, and it's the perfect size for you and a sweetheart to sit and get your Aura photographed. This is our local artist wall, and every year or so we have a new artist putting up an installation. This time around it's Morgan Elliott. This is her show Chosen Family. So all of these are tiny paintings that are meant to just kind of brighten up your day and make you feel like you have another little family member. I mean, the witch house, what a perfect little cute souvenir. So I am sitting in our, what we call our dad chair, and it's for, you know, all of the dads and boyfriends and husbands that maybe don't want to shop around the store so they can be comfortable. I bought it on Craigslist from a man named Michael, and my father's name was Michael, so we call this St. Michael's Corner. All of the furniture in the store is either vintage or secondhand. Over here, we have our secret toad friend, Tiffany. And we also have all of our candles that we mix and make with our friend Katie, who owns a candle company called Sway Much Brighter. My personal fave is either Summer Storm or Soft Island. Down here is our spell kits, and that is how I actually started the business side of HausWitch. And so each one comes with a variety of little items for bringing different energies into your home. So for a long time, HausWitch did not have a sales counter. We just had a tabletop on sawhorses. We decided to upgrade a few years ago, and because we love our troll dolls so much, I kind of had this counter built around the idea of having a little office for them. So we call this the Trophice. Here at HausWitch, we make our own line of intentional cleaning products called Counter Magic, and they're meant to bring a little ritual into your routine. So they are functional cleaning products as well as energetic cleaning products. Today, we're gonna make a little bit of our glass cleaner for protection, which is called Gaze. And we like to say you can check yourself before you reflect yourself. So this is good for all of your windows and mirrors and screens, and it smells amazing, like clary sage and lime, and it has essences of yarrow, which is a very protective herb, and then the essence of this bad boy right here, which is obsidian. Super grounding and super protective stone. So all you do is you're gonna take about a third of this bottle, which that was way more than that, but that's okay. More vibes to go around. And then we are going to carefully pour some water, okay? And then we'll just give it a little shimmy to mix her up. And then I will show you a quick way to do a protection spell on your glass using Gaze. So spray it on your windows, and then as you wipe it off in the shape of a daisy wheel. So this is a shape that different cultures have sort of carved into their doorways and their buildings for hundreds of years as a protective symbol. It's also called a hexafoil, and there's different forms and shapes of it. So we're gonna work with this one today because it's here. So you just take your Gaze that you mixed, and you can spray it right on, and then you just wipe it off in this shape. And when you do that, it forms a seal of protection for your windows, mirrors, and screens. Thank you for coming to visit us at HausWitch. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Handmade, and I hope we see you in Witch City soon.